Hiya! Truck driver Paul here. If I scared you and you dropped your phone, it's okay. Linda is here. She's helping me out today. And today I'm going to be cooking crawfish casserole. And right now I'm preheating my water so I can cook my noodles. This is a half of a 1 pound bag of egg noodles. Oh, look at there. I'm just going to dump those noodles in this hot water here. I'm not going to use nothing fancy. El dente. I'm going to cook them till they're done. Noodles are done and drained. So I got those separate, and I'm just waiting for my pan to heat up again so I can put some oil in there. Feels pretty nice.
Okay, so you're gonna add?
Just a pretty good sized spoonful. Right now I'm gonna add a medium chopped onion to my hot oil so they can saute. All I'm going to do is saute the onions a little bit so that the flavor comes out and that they're starting to turn brown. I'm going to add my Worcestershire sauce, which is 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce to this. Now I'm also going to be adding my Tabasco sauce. I just add a little bit. You know, I can't measure it. It's to taste. I'm going to start adding my ingredients to this. 6 ounces of tomato paste. 1 can of condensed tomato soup. 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chili. 1 can no salt added diced petite tomatoes, undrained. I'm also going to be adding 1 green pepper chopped. Oh, look at there. And I'm also going to be adding my noodles that I just got through cooking. I'm going to be adding that to this. I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon pepper. And a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Going to mix all this up here a little bit, and then we're going to be adding our crawfish. Okay, you guys ready for this? Now the magic ingredient. Crawfish tail meat. The main ingredient here. Oh. And then you just mix it up. All of it together. There we go. Just going to put the lid on for a little bit. 5 to 10 minutes. It's cooking at a real slow heat right now. 200 degrees probably. And I'm just going to let this soak or sit for a little bit. I'm back. Well, it's been 10 minutes later. And I let this cook, simmer. So now I'm going to dish it up, and we are going to get Linda back here so that she could sit right here. Hi, hi. She does exist.
Truck driver Linda.
Truck driver Paul here.
Bad hair day, Linda.
Oh no.
Bad hair day.
Anyway, I got this served up.
So I guess I get first dibs.
Sure.
All right.
We're going to see how she likes it.
I love crawfish. And I love this dish that he makes. I've been after him to do a video on this.
That's good, y'all.
Oh my God, that's so good. All right, y'all.
Good thing to have on a nice cold day. That is so good. Well, I hope that you guys enjoy it as much as we do.
It is one of our favorite dishes.
Yes, I make it quite often.
He does.
Pretty easy, straightforward.
And very good.
Yes.
All right, y'all. So you can say the all right, y'all part since you're me.
All right, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
Bye-bye. Happy eating.
Happy eating. We hope y'all enjoyed it. Things are hectic. It'll get back to normal soon enough.
Yep.
Happy eating.
Bye-bye.
Happy eating.